been long obsessed with fungi. I'm very lucky to live out in the countryside, and I have various animals that we care for, sheep particularly, so we have some grazing, there's some woodland, and it's really fascinating to see through the seasons the mushrooms come, particularly at this time of year in the autumn. And there's so many types, and they occur so randomly in different places, and sometimes in rings as well. I've always been obsessed with the what we call the fairy rings, and so again the magic comes from not knowing when and where exactly the mushroom would flower next. So I always think of mushrooms as flowers really of a bigger plant, a plant that in fact is the biggest living organism in the world. They have measured, I believe, plants that fungi, because they're not plants, they're different genus all on their own, and I think aren't actually protected in any way, but there's a big movement at the moment to protect fungi as an ecosystem, as a part of our ecosystem, and not just trees and humans, buildings and things. So this piece respects that, and their beautiful climb towards the sky, and again we're on a golden section hoop or ring, and above it there's another piece which reflects that, but tied in copper wire. And so both pieces honour, if you like, if they would have me, honour the formation of fungi. And again, the number and diameter of hats is all in Fibonacci sequence.